Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7 Refresher Course Module. Worksheet 13, Reading, second part. So dear children, today we are going to deal something related to reading and we are going to solve this. You can listen. First of all, when we read, we get a lot of ideas and we have to narrate, relate with our personal experiences. We can seek information from notice board, newspaper, internet, tables, charts, diagrams and maps and all. We should use synonyms, antonyms appropriately and deduce the word meanings from clues in the context while reading a variety of text. So, reading is very, very important. Fine, children? So, children, here there is a table. Some words are there. Some spelling mistake is also there. A few words. So, which are all having spelling mistake, we can rectify. First one, absence. A-B-S-E-N-S-E. Thappu. A-B-S-E-N-C-E. Next one, address. A-D-R-E-S-S போட்டிருக்காங்க. So, which is the right one? A-D-D-R-E-S-S address. Next one, believe. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. That is wrong. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe. Calendar. C-A-L-E-N-D-E-R. That is correct one. Colleague. C-O-L-L-E-G-U-E. That is wrong. And the correct spelling is C-O-L-L-E-A-G-U-E. Next one, experience. E-X-P-E-R-I-A-N-C-E. That is wrong. Experience spelling is E-X-P-E-R-I-E-N-C-E. Experience. Next one, library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. That is right. Next one, necessary. N-E-C-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y போட்டிருக்காங்க. That is wrong. The right spelling is N-E-C-E-S-S-A-R-Y. Necessary. Next one, occasion. O-C-C-A-S-S-I-O-N. Right spelling is O-C-C-A-S-I-O-N. Occasion. Next one, pumpkin. P-U-M-K-I-N. But that is wrong. The right word is P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin. Next one, receive. R-E-C-I-E-V-E. The right word is R-E-C-E-I-V-E. Receive. Next one, jewelry. J-E-W-E-L-R-Y. The spelling is J-E-W-E-L-L-E-R-Y. Jewelry. Fine, children. Shall we move on to the assessment part? First one, read the following table and answer the questions. Here you have some sports and number of players on a team in the field at a time. So for baseball, we have 9 players. And basketball, 5 players. Cricket, 11. Ice hockey, 11. Rugby, 15. And US football, 11 players. So using this, we have to write the answers. How many sports are represented on the table? On the table, எத்தனை sports இருக்குது? Count பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Okay. Baseball, basketball, cricket, ice hockey, rugby and US football. So there are 6 sports, isn't it? So you can write 6 sports are represented on the table. Second one, of these sports, which has the fewest players from one team on the field at a time? So, எதுக்கு கம்மி players இருக்கிறாங்க? So, it means limited members. So, you can tell basketball. So, basketball has the fewest players from one team on the field at the time. Third one, of these sports, which has the most players from one team on the field at a time. So, எதுக்கு ஜாஸ்தி members இருக்கிறாங்க? You can tell that is rugby. அதான் 15 members இருக்கிறாங்க இல்லையா? Yes, my dear. Okay. So, rugby has most players from one team on the field at a time. Alright. Next one. How many of these sports are played on ice? இதில் இத்தனையிலையும் ஐஸில் விளையாடுறது யாரெல்லாமாக்கும்? Ice hockey is the sport which is played on the ice. Okay. Fifth one, how many of these sports have exactly 11 players from one team on the field at time? So 11 players யாருக்கு இருக்கிறாங்க? Cricket, ice hockey and US football have exactly 11 players from one team on the field at a time. Fine, children. Moving on to second number. Read the story and answer the following questions. There was a mouse and a lion in the African grasslands. The lion was very large and the mouse is very small. When the lion roared, the ground shook. When the mouse squeaked, not even the grass shook. One day, the mouse smelled smoke. It ran to find the lion. Squeak! Squeak! The mouse squeaked. I smell smoke, lion. I think there is a fire. The lion looked around. He smelled the smoke too. He lowered his huge head and told the mouse to climb onto his back. The lion raced onto the top of the highest hill with his mouse holding on to the dear life. The lion saw the fire on the edge of the grassland. He raised his head and roared his mighty roar. All the animals knew that something roared. It meant danger. They gathered their young ones and ran to the river for safety. Fine. The Kutti story, and using this story, some questions are there. We have to answer. Shall we start? Okay. Where did the story take place? The story inga nadakudhu? The story took place in African grassland. Okay. First line la irukliya. There was a mouse and a lion in the African grassland. Second one, why did the mouse run to the lion? In the mouse, ஏன் lion கிட்ட ஓடுது? The mouse ran to the lion to inform that it smelled smoke. அது smell வந்துருச்சு, smoke smell. So it just wanted to inform. Third one, the sounds of the lion and the mouse were dash. Okay, lion ஓட sound என்ன? Mouse ஓட sound என்ன? So the sound of the lion is roar and the sound of the mouse is squeak. Fourth one, what was the problem in the grasslands? Okay, what's the problem? என்னமோ பிரச்சனை இருக்குல்ல, என்ன பிரச்சனை இருக்கும்? There was a fire in the edge of the forest. That is the problem. Okay, அங்க ஒரு fire நடக்குது. Fifth one, where did the animals go to save themselves? So where did all the animals go? The animals went to the top of the highest hill to save themselves. The lion, mouse, they went to the top of the hill. And all the animals, what did they do? They gathered their young ones and ran to the river for safety. Okay, children. Fifth one, if you are in this situation, what will you do to solve the problem? Okay, இப்போ நீங்கள் இங்கே இருக்கிறீங்க. So, fire வருது இல்லை நடக்குது. How will you manage? Okay, you can tell any answers. If I am in that situation, I will call the fire service. I will use my cell phone. இப்போ the கையில் phone இருக்கு இல்லையா, phone வச்சுட்டு you can do some other thing. You will tell the landmark and Google map எல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டு you can inform higher authorities that there is a fire and immediately fire service will come and put off all the fire. Fine, children? Okay, hope all of you understood. Do not exactly copy everything. You can listen again and understand and write. Do not miss to watch other lesson explanation videos, book back exercise, guided reading, assessment part, bridge course and other thing. Thank you, children.